everyone, I am Pushpita De and you are watching Zee Business. From soaring inflation, rising value of the US dollar to other economic challenges, the Indian economy witnessed several ups and downs this year. With the year 2022 almost behind us, let's take the year in review and see the major factors that shaped the Indian economy in 2022. The factor that has grabbed the eyeballs of the masses since the beginning of the year is the rising inflation. Be it the salaried class or the business owners, inflation became a challenge for all. While 6% is considered as the accepted rate of inflation, India failed to maintain the same from January till October. In fact, the inflation rate spiked to its highest in April when it touched 7.79%. But thankfully, with stringent measures by the RBI, the rate came down to below 6% for the first time this year in November. With the inflation soaring high, RBI had no other way but to raise the repo rates repeatedly this year. RBI raised the repo rate by 225 basis points between April and December, raising the hackles of the loan borrowers, while bringing a respite to those who have a good amount of investments in fixed deposits. Another important factor that recently brought some tension among the policymakers, economists, and other financial players is the GDP growth rate in India. Although the year started with a low GDP growth of around 4.1%, the quarter ending in June brought some respite as it surged to more than 13%. However, the latest GDP growth numbers for September quarter raised eyebrows again as the growth for the second quarter stood at just 6.3%. Fourth in line is the growing concern for the depreciating value of the Indian rupee against the US dollar. The rupee breached the 80 level versus the dollar for the first time on July 19, 2022, as the crude oil prices rose in the international market on July 18. The average exchange value has mostly been around 80.74 this year, although it touched an all-time high of rupees 83.002 on October 22nd. With the depreciating value of Indian rupees, the forex reserves became another important parameter that influenced the Indian economy in 2022. But after witnessing a downtrend since August, the forex reserves have surged by 6.56 USD billion for the week ending on October 28 and recorded the highest jump in the past 1 year. Some other major factors that shaped the Indian economy include the drastic fall in exports from India and the rising unemployment. Amidst several issues of concern, there are a couple of reliefs for the economy too. For instance, despite several challenges, per capita income rose considerably in 2022 when compared to the previous year. Now, all eyes are on the finance minister and what she has to offer in the upcoming budget.